good, life is good, yeah. Life is good, life is good, yeah. Yeah, in my darkest times, you got me feeling like I've been walking on air. Left all my worries and cares. I've got no burdens around you. I don't care who knows I love you. 'Cause I've been so lost without you. And in my darkest times, you got me feeling like life is good, yeah. Life is good, yeah. Yeah, in my darkest times, you got me feeling like. Life is good, yeah. Life is good, yeah. Life is good, yeah. Life is good, life is good, life is good, life is
Joseph Hill Johnson, Moab cattleman and chief deputy sheriff, born December 2nd, 1895. Died at this spot on December 30th, 1927. Wow. That long ago? It's like horse times. Crazy. Cool things you get to see on these trails. Wonder what this trail was like back then, huh? Pretty cool. Alright. Back to the trail. Alright, we made it to the end of Chicken's Corners, the last stop. And I'm gonna go walk around. Apparently there's a little trail over here. A small one that we can go and see some of these amazing views. So let's go take a look. Alright. first off, you can see the Colorado River on the right side here. A little bit of Colorado. Follow this over here to Utah. This is beautiful. Wow, look at this.
Colorado River.
Let's look at all the shrubbery growing right next to the river. It's so cool.
Makes sense.
This looks like the Grand Canyon, like, or at least what I would think it looks like. Beautiful. Wow. This is one of the prettiest views at the end of a trail we've seen, I think. I mean, Colorado has a lot too. Look at this, crazy. You can use Leslie as perspective for how big these mountains or rock walls are.
Oh, there's a trail down there.
Where, all the way down at the river?
Yeah, hiking trail. You can see it.
Oh, wow. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, I see it. Way down at the river there, you can kind of see. See if I can zoom in. Yeah, so you can kind of see a trail through there. Whether or not it's like a real trail that people should be walking, or someone just made that, I don't know, but it looks cool. Alright, let me get back over here. Wow, the views are stunning. Wow, look at that. Doesn't matter if you're in a drone, using the drone, or like in yourself. It's amazing. Look at this. Holy crap. Excuse the language. This is crazy. Wow. I'd say this is definitely worth a drive, and it's really easy, honestly. An all-wheel drive vehicle, a capable one, like a Subaru, could definitely do this. I've seen a lot of different mix of vehicles, like just general Ford trucks, Chevys, obviously lots of Jeeps, Tacomas, Nissan Xterra, which was pretty cool. Pretty sure it was Nissan Xterra. And what else? Yeah, just the regular 4x4 that you usually see. Looks like Leslie's really far out there. She's really going on this hike. Man, I can't get over how pretty this river is. It's very green as well. I'm assuming that's just because of the sediment from the rocks, kind of turning the color different, the water a different color, because I don't think it looks quite like that in Colorado. I guess it kind of does, actually. Alright, let's go catch up to Les here and see what else there is to see. I love when the trails have, like, you know, something to see at the end. It's like very scenic, or something to do, like a little short hike. It just adds a little bit to the trail. I feel like it's so nice. And Chicken Corner is just beautiful throughout. Very chill, very awesome. Very steep, very yeah, definitely don't want to slip off here.
Cold over here.
Oh, we're high up.
Just look at.
Super cool. Is that the end of it over there?
That's the end, yeah.
Unless you're suicidal, I guess, then you can
Unless
keep
you want to
going.
rock climb your way down. I'm good though. Brr. Chilly.
This is so pretty.
It's really beautiful.
Alright, awesome. So like we said, that's the end of Chicken Corners. We're gonna head back now, careful Les,
Yep.
to back to the town in Moab. Alright y'all, thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed Chicken Corners, and we'll see you in the next one.
Yep.